Hey guys, so I think this is the first time I'm vlogging and it's already Saturday, so welcome to a vlog that is gonna be 2 days instead of a week, but it's okay. So right now I'm at MAXX and there's a HOMEGOODS next door, and we might also hit up Marshall's because I need some pants and I hate buying work clothes. It annoys me, so we're looking for that. And I'm also drinking like my favorite drink, so it's an iced triple espresso, 5 pumps of toffee nut, and I asked for them to fill it up with almond milk, and they put like the tiniest little splash, like you could barely tell there was any in it. And then she got an attitude about like adding some more. I'm just like, I just wanted almond milk, like come on. But anyway, I've got that and let's go shopping. You need to cool down. Okay guys, so I don't always go over here where I am now. It's just a different part of a city where I work. But this Chick-fil-A drive-thru is insane. There's like 20 cars in line. Look at this. It looks like we're at the airport. These people. Jesus. But it's still gonna be efficient, I'm sure. I'm filming. This is still pretty new, and this is half the price. So yeah. Also, I'm getting a can of my fancy water. This one's been opened. This is a box of 10 with only 6. And here we have the giant red balls of spending too much money. Hey guys, it is Sunday night and I have vlogged once. Hopefully I have enough to vlog about in the morning to make this worthwhile. If not, I'll just combine them and you guys will be seeing like an irregularly long vlog. So I'm sitting in front of my bathtub. I have my bath ready, as you can see, and I did something a little different. My boss actually gave all the managers at Sephora like a little gift, and it included this. So I got the coconut version, which I was really excited about. So this is Dr. Teal's the Epsom salt soaking solution. So this is what that looks like. And then it was in a set with the foaming bath. So they both have Epsom salt, but this one's coconut oil. And I just thought I'd try something a little different since I had that, and that's really affordable too. I have used some of the Epsom salt with a Lush bath, but I haven't used this combination. So I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But it seems like it's gonna be really nice. It smells really good. So I'm gonna do that, and man, I have just broken a wine glass. I had one of these glasses, and I don't know how I did this. I like hit at the inside of the sink with it, trying to, I don't know what I was doing, honestly. And the stem broke off like right here, and I saved all the wine though. So I got like glass everywhere. Hey. Yeah. So yeah, I feel like I've been super stressed out. I have like a breakout up here, which if you guys know, like I don't break out a lot. It's usually hormonal breakout, and it'll be like right here, you know, I'll get 1 or 2 and then that's it. Like I'll get some clogged pores now and then, but never like randomly like that. So I just know that I've been stressed. My stomach has been like having all sorts of issues. Like I've been just having like a super upset stomach, and I just feel like I've been a little bit more stressed than normal. Usually I try not to let like work be like this big thing in my mind where I'm like, oh my god, I'm so stressed. But recently when I took on more responsibility, I have a different role, which is really just like an expanded role where I do more, and yeah, there's like a lot more demand. And if I feel like I know exactly what I'm doing, by all means, like put pressure on me. But if I'm still trying to like figure it out, to me it's just stressful if you're like, you need to do this and tell me this and why is this like this, and I'm like, okay, well, I just started this, you know. So that's with any job. It's not like a Sephora thing, but yeah, that's been stressful. And we changed uniforms, which I know that's kind of silly, but that stressed me out because I just don't like the way anything looks on me. I feel like everything's really unflattering, and I'm actually down like 8 or 9 pounds since I've been going to the gym like super regularly. But for some reason I had to go up a size in pants, and I'm like, okay. It was just like the hip area, like I just have, you know, wider hips, I guess. But that stressed me out, and like trying to feel comfortable, I don't know. I don't like the change. I like the way things were. Not to say that the new ones are like bad or anything, but I feel like the other ones were more forgiving and more comfortable. So I don't know. I'm just being a little bitch about that. So anyway, I'm about to take this bath, and I need to do a good bit in the morning. I really would like to film a video, but I also know that I need to go to the gym. I haven't been in 5 days, just with my schedule, and then I was off yesterday and today, and I've just been so tired. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm just like a little bit on the depressed side, and that's like taking my energy away, but I was feeling pretty good before that. Like I was doing pretty good. So I don't know. I don't like this like negative turn, but that's what it is. So I'll try to do something entertaining in the morning. I really need to do a lot of cleanup. I need to do a big TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Ross haul, like a bargain shopping or whatever. I need to do that, but that's gonna be too lengthy for the morning. So I may try to get up and go to the gym early, and then maybe film doing my eyes. I have a couple of different new palettes that I can use. So yeah, that's a lot. I know this is just like me chit-chatting, but I hope you guys don't mind. And Sniffles is forever my little companion. Hey, baby. Hey. I know you hear me. Yeah, you're so beautiful. You gonna sit with me while I take a bath? Oh, wee. Give him a little headbutt? Okay. All right. So this is where I'm going, guys, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is 9:30 on Monday morning. I am kind of just drinking some water right now. I like to drink some water first thing. So I just made my coffee. I'm in my little koala vibe to party cup. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit this morning. I am going to work out a bit. I have on pajamas, and I just put like a sports bra up underneath. And I'm gonna do a few of the workout videos with Kaboko Fitness on YouTube. Her videos are really good, and I feel like a lot of times, especially with like abdominal workout, I need a little help like figuring out what's the best thing to do, and I think she's amazing. So I'm just gonna skip on the cardio today, and I'll go do that tomorrow. But I don't know, I just find myself being really tired and really worn out. So I figure instead of like trying to run around and get to the gym, I'm just gonna do something here. But I do want to get some type of workout in, but I don't have a lot of time. Jeez, I need to get my ass in gear and get some stuff done. But I was just dragging getting out of bed this morning. I'm tired. I don't know. I feel so fatigued. I know I keep talking about that. Man, that is so interesting, right? And one of you guys let me know about the Wet n Wild mystery bag. Ooh. So I ordered that, and that should be coming really soon. So I'm going to finish my coffee and start importing all of this footage. I will show you guys the Kaboko Fitness, and I'll show you on my like TV so you guys know who she is, because I highly recommend. I don't know, I just think she does great little videos. They don't take a lot of time, so usually I'll do like multiples, but she has a lot of great core videos, and yeah, you know, how to get rid of that little pooch, which apparently is the hardest thing in life for me now. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna stop talking for now and we're gonna go in there and I'll show you guys that. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this channel. Ah, there we go. You can tell I've searched it before. I'm pretty sure I'm subscribed. Let me look. If not, I'm about to make sure that I am. Yeah, I'm subscribed. Okay. How to reduce breast. I mean, she's got a video for everything, baby. Okay. Lower abs. 5 minutes lower abs. 10 minutes at home workout fitness. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with lower abs and then I'll find some other things to do. But I just wanted you guys to see a little bit, so in case you're encouraged to do it yourself. And she is the cutest. I'm not gonna show y'all me doing it because there's no need for all that mess. I got some more water.
Welcome to this lower ab workout. We are starting off with alternate leg drops. This means you want to keep your lower back on the floor and then drop your legs. Just a few more seconds. You're doing amazing. Almost there. I want your lower abs to be looking snatched. You're going to crisscross your legs like scissors.
So I'm not going to show you like a whole workout or anything. I just wanted you guys to get a little taste of it because even just a few little things, I can tell like I'm really engaging my lower abs. So anyway, I know that for me, like trying to do my job, trying to do my channel, work out and do everything else in life is like sometimes a struggle, and I can't imagine like having kids too and that being like your primary focus and then still trying to work on yourself. So I don't know, I thought that might be helpful for you guys. Like, go check her out if you want to do some at-home workouts. I'm gonna keep doing this. She's about to whoop my ass. Sally is being a little dementor. Ooh. Oh, no. Don't try to get me. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope it was okay, even though it was a little on the shorter side and, you know, pretty much boring. If you haven't already, be sure to watch my previous vlog. I do have a giveaway going on in that video. That's my only current giveaway. So make sure to check it out, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!